For today's activity, we're going to talk about fingerprints and their characteristics. Every person is born with their own individual, unique fingerprints. In fact, if you're an identical twin, you have the same DNA as your twin, however, you have different fingerprints.
Fingerprints. Fingerprints are unique to each individual. We all have fingerprints, however, they are unique. Even identical twins have different fingerprints. However, nobody knew this 1400 years ago, but it was mentioned in the Quran that on Resurrection Day, Allah will recreate humans with all details, even their fingertips. In the Quran, yes indeed, we are able to reconstruct his fingertips. On Resurrection Day, Allah will reconstruct our bodies to the smallest detail, even our unique fingerprints. Today, we know that those contain fingerprints which are unique to each individual. How could a man who lived 1400 years ago have known that fingertips have something unique? Subscribe our Sense Islam YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.